How's it going, guys? We're here at Proquip and we've got a bit going on at the moment. There's stuff flying everywhere. We had a customer call in, he's got quite a big job on his hands. He needed a big excavator with a big mechanical grab. He needed it for quite a while, so we swung into action. We had the call about 8:30 this morning. It's 12:40 and we're almost wrapping up. The painter man's already got his paint ready to go. So yeah, we've got a mechanical grab going on a 320 GC, so quite a nice excavator. Got all the fancy stuff in the cab. And I think we'll have a pretty happy customer. He's on his way now. He's probably 10, 15 away, so thank you.